Hi everyone, so today I'll be sharing a chicken thigh recipe with coconut milk and I know you will love it. This recipe has a epis seasoning and it's very easy to make your epis seasoning. I made my own. All you have to do is all of those ingredients, I have a bunch of ingredients, I just mix them on a standalone mixer. I have some pepper, some green onion, some garlic, some ginger, some clove, turmeric, some parsley, cilantro, to name a few. And it's just good. It's just good for your body. It's great to make your own seasoning. It's very empowering. You know exactly what goes into your body. As opposed to the store-bought cubes. You can control the amount of salt that goes in it. And you can also store it for 1 or 2 weeks in a glass jar in your fridge, and you can use it for your meat, for your fish, for your rice, for your barbecue, to name a few. It's very versatile, so I strongly encourage you to make your own seasoning. It's better for your body, it's better for your health, and the food just tastes, it's just different. Like, you have to try it. Like, trust me, it just tastes differently. So I strongly encourage you guys to make your own seasoning. All you have to do is mix all of it, and then the extra one you put in a glass jar in your fridge, and that's it. So after mixing all of my ingredients here, all of my spices, what I do, I will just gonna add it to my chicken, and then I will let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours, just to give it the time for all the spices to really get into the chicken. I like chicken thighs. I think it's better with this recipe, but you can use the chicken breast. I like the juice from the chicken thigh so it doesn't dry. The chicken is not dry. So next I'll go on my saucepan on medium-high heat and just cook it. And so the spices will darken. That's just natural, but you don't want it to. If the heat is too high, just reduce the heat on medium and just cook your chicken. And once I'm done, I am just gonna remove my chicken from my pot and remove all the extra, the burn spices. So you keep the oil, you just remove with a wooden spoon. The bottom, you scrub gently the bottom of the pan and remove all the extra that are burned. And after that, you just add your onions and peppers, and the onions they are gonna deglaze the bottom of the pan, meaning that everything that was stuck will just lift up. So with the water from the peppers, so everything will lift up. So don't worry about that. So you add your ingredients to it, your garlic, your onions. The lemon juice also helps deglaze, but it also helps the acidity break down better the coconut milk. So I think the lemon, you want to add the lemon, you just add extra flavor to it. And then after I put the lemon and really deglaze the pan, you can see everything lift up from the bottom of the pan. I'm just gonna add my coconut milk and then my liquid bouillon. So I have a chicken bouillon that's liquid. You can make your own chicken bouillon, or you can buy from the store. It's up to you. But by doing that, the coconut is not overpowering, which is perfect for me. I don't like when the coconut milk is overpowering. And also, the honey, you have to add the honey. And the sweet and savory just add extra flavor to this chicken. It's so tasty. I added some mushroom to it and to have vegetables in my dish. And voila, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.